Did you know that simply changing when you eat can have a profound impact on how you age? Studies are showing that intermittent fasting might be one of our most powerful tools for longevity. Welcome back, everyone, to Self-Longevity Method. Today, I'm bringing you a condensed overview on how intermittent fasting can slow down aging. Now, for those of you guys who want the full scientific breakdown with all sorts of citations, you can check out the full-length video, but this is more of a right to the nuts and bolts of what you need to know. So let's dive right into the 5 mechanisms which impacts aging at the cellular level. Mechanism number 1. Enhanced cellular stress response. Fasting, it creates this mild stress on your cells. In scientific terms, it's called hormesis. Think of it as a workout for your cells. Just like lifting weights stresses your muscles, makes them stronger, makes them grow, fasting stresses your cells in a beneficial way. When we fast, our cells activate an adaptive response that includes increased antioxidant defenses, enhanced DNA repair, improved protein quality control, and downregulation of inflammation. According to research published in the New England Journal of Medicine, this adaptive response is actually conserved across various species, suggesting it is a fundamental biological mechanism. Think of fasting as a fire drill for your cells. Regular practice prepares them to deal with real emergencies far better. Mechanism number 2. Improved mitochondrial function. Your mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells. As we age, they typically become less efficient and produce more harmful byproducts. Intermittent fasting enhances mitochondrial function by stimulating the creation of new mitochondria. They promote mitochondrial fusion or joining together of the mitochondria. They reduce oxidative stress and they improve the removal of damaged mitochondria. A 2023 study showed that intermittent fasting promotes expression of sirtuin-3 and induces mitochondrial fusion, leading to improved function. So these improvements, they lead to more efficient energy production, which means better cell health, directly slowing the aging process. Mechanism number 3, reduction in inflammatory markers. Low-grade inflammation is a key driver of aging, often called inflammaging. Now, that's just a gimmicky word, but it's basically aging resulting from inflammation, and it's linked to just about every chronic disease. Fasting decreases inflammation through decreasing inflammatory molecules like interleukin-6, TNF-alpha, inhibiting the NLRP3 inflammasome, lowering C-reactive protein, modulating immune cell activity. A 2024 study discovered that arachidonic acid inhibition of the NLRP3 inflammasome explains many of the fasting's inflammatory benefits. But if you want to make it very simple, imagine inflammation as this slow burning fire inside your body. Fasting cuts off the oxygen supply to that fire, allowing your body to start repairing the damage. Mechanism number 4, promotion of autophagy. Autophagy is your body's natural process for cleaning out damaged cells. Think of it as your cellular recycling system. The word autophagy literally means self-eating in Greek. During autophagy, damaged cell components are identified. They're enclosed in a membrane and delivered to lysosomes. The resulting building blocks are then recycled for repair. Fasting is one of the most powerful triggers for autophagy through activating AMP kinase and inhibiting mTOR, basically upregulating autophagy-related genes. This is particularly important in your brain because your brain cells can't divide and can't replace themselves like other cells. So autophagy is critical for recycling the damaged components of them and keeping them healthy throughout your lifetime. All right, mechanism number 5, metabolic switching. When we eat regularly, our bodies primarily use glucose for energy, but during fasting, a remarkable switch occurs. After 10 to 14 hours, liver glycogen becomes depleted. Your body breaks down fat, releasing fatty acids. These are then converted to ketone bodies in the liver, and these ketone bodies become an alternative fuel for your brain and body. This metabolic flexibility is absolutely linked with longevity. It's like having a hybrid car, and if you're always eating, you're only using gasoline, but fasting activates your metabolic hybrid engine. All right, let's bring all 5 of these together. So you have 5 key mechanisms through which intermittent fasting can slow aging. Once again, those 5 are enhanced cellular stress response, improved mitochondrial function, reduction in inflammatory markers, promotion of autophagy, metabolic switching, and when you want to think about this, most of these benefits begin as you start to get beyond 12 hours of fasting. Now, if you're going to do fasting, start slowly, listen to your body. In the longer, in-depth video, we talk about contraindications and all sorts of other details. But as you're thinking about it, little steps can make all the difference. Don't just eat for the sake of eating. Every little thing towards getting your body to think of the hybrid car model counts. As always, if you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based longevity content from Self-Longevity Method. As always, I'm Dr. Sean Hashmi. Until next time, here's to living longer and living better using science as our guide.